Zazu brothers, Zazu brothers, Zazu.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're going to taste some new Oreos. We're going to taste some of the mint Oreos.
Okay, so then you want to open it?
Yeah.
And where did we pick these up today?
The corner store.
Meaning the grocery store, guys. So he is opening the mint package. And we don't usually buy these. So this is his first time.
Let me taste one.
Taste one.
Why don't you just taste one? Right, this is good.
Describe it. Is it yummy? Is it hard? Is it soft?
Yummy.
Yeah? You'd eat more of those? Of course. Yummy?
Ice cream in it.
Ice cream? So those are the mint. Can you hold the mint package up so everybody can see? The other way, it's upside down. Perfect. So those are the mint. Come closer with it. There we go. Those are the mint ones. And they say that it's a big thumbs up. So you would definitely buy these at the store again, guys? You think so? Okay, so thumbs up to the mint. Now, Zachariah, you choose which one you want to try. Which kind are those? Can you hold it up for your friends?
Okay.
Oh, put it down a bit more, my love. There we go. So those are the dark chocolate Oreos. Open them on up, sweetheart. Use your super muscles. There we go.
Wait, fish me.
They're even big. Do they look bigger than the other one?
Yes.
Kind
It is
of?
bigger than this one.
Kind of.
Yeah. And this.
How's it taste? Taste yummy?
Thumbs down.
Thumbs down means it doesn't taste good. Thumbs up means it tastes good.
But no, thumbs down. This doesn't taste good.
Yeah, that means you're telling people that it doesn't taste good.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Up.
All right, guys. So how were those? Are you still? Did you take a? Yeah. So they were yummy. So can you hold them up one last time so everyone can see? So those were the dark chocolate. No, it's okay. You don't. You already held up the mint. Good job. Good. Nice. So those are the dark chocolate ones. So there's chocolate on the inside and the out. All right, guys. So what is next? So we did the mint, the dark chocolate, and what is next?
Birthday cake.
This is a birthday cake flavor. Can you hold it out a bit more, my love? There we go. And try it out. We've never tried these, so it's pretty cool. We got some new treats in our on our list.
I was doing the Oreo challenge.
You can call it whatever you want, my love. Oh! Are you excited to try this one?
Me too. I'm so excited.
How does it taste, Zain? You like it? You eat it again? Does it taste like a birthday cake?
You should taste it.
Yeah, I'll probably taste them later. It seems like it has a lot of stuffing in that one. All right, Now, let's try, what is the last one? Last but not least, Zakaria. Do you know which one that is?
The cinnamon bun.
Yes, can you try cinnamon bun one?
Open it.
You could open. Perfect. All right, guys. Yummy? So, thumbs up for all 4. Right, guys?
Yep.
Which one did you like the best? What's your favorite? Do you like the mint the best? How about you? Zakaria, which one did you like the best?
Chocolate.
Which one would you recommend to everybody to eat?
Chocolate.
The mint?
Cinnamon bun. And the birthday cake.
But if you had to choose one, if you had to choose one package, which one would you choose to recommend to all your friends to eat when they get home? Or to buy? What would you recommend?
This one.
You like the cinnamon bun the best? That's your favorite? Alright guys, so we have winners. So Zain recommends that people should get the mint one. And Zakaria absolutely likes the cinnamon bun. So, yeah, so that was a great little review. They wanted to do it for a while. We haven't tried these. We don't usually buy Oreos. So they're going to have a few treats for the next few days.
Guys, comment down below and subscribe. Bye.